Today I'm gonna show you why you want to switch from your gas water heater to new electric heat pump water heaters. The reason number one is the rebates. If you're not taking advantage of all these rebates, you're missing out a lot, because right now you can install it with almost $0 out of pocket. Reason number two, energy savings. Heat pump water heaters are 4 times more efficient than regular gas water heaters. As you can see, it's only $104 in energy cost. That means you are saving about 2 to 500 per year. The reason number three is environmental impact. This water heater no longer has gas, as you can see. We have a cap on the gas that will allow us to get the rebates, and it will basically reduces carbon footprint. Reason number four, you can control it with your phone. You can take a full advantage of the smart features. You can see when your water heater is leaking. There is a special leak sensor right here on the bottom. You can also set up time of use program. That means you use the water heater when energy is the cheapest. Reason number five, we got leak and diagnostic alerts, energy usage reports, and daily schedule. Not only that, it will also alert you when you got a water in your pan. That means safer for your house. The reason number six, ducting options. As you can see, there is an outlet on the side of water heater, and we also got inlet with the filter on top. What it means? Your water heater takes hot air, transfers it to the water, and you get cold water on this side. The cool feature is you can cool your garage, you can dump this air outside, or even you have that hot room in your house, you can dump it in your room. So we are very flexible. Basically, you get free cooling, which is pretty cool.